And one God the seer, a karma president. Soon we are say a president. One God the seer. Only Ghana for ni be abe clash prophet Evin so adum chedua. Obi biala sofu bia odin come share e buy na efa Ghana Blasters is participation in the World Cup no odin come share buy na efa hu bia no. One God the seer enum nyina e will be kan obeka nsem bi e de akire wo mu. Aha Penyah block me that mess was say ni dey mu. Obe like video no that my brother subscribe button subscribe click notification connect latest update na be to the wide radio mama e wo comment section oba so a no share first nya bia hwe say open app obetimi da say ni ska akofie o USA o UK na open say o say ni ska e de kofie asumdwe mu a ade a me kan from e na money send app one kasa hwe app na to phone so the account for my promo code Penyah TV send ni ska akofie na ani say won say o mbesa ache $20 for free o send ni ska akofie na na say ache $20 in fact almost transaction e very fast o send ya in a blink of an eye na edu Ghana edu ba account mu kwen no afro chamai scanner abisi nisaka emu na nalafo no asa acho $20 for free. Let's go to the story. Ebusia onim say na FIFA World Cup 2006 edition air course in fact egusu air course na Ghana na ye bobi na onim say eye game eye preparation wa hombo abo a waye ene o performance ena ye dekọ enti FIFA crown e wo rating FIFA ewo teams ni be on my rate be ahead of the other team. Say team we there. O money mo boss team we. Keeper we woni mu da esi ni pass Messi. Eye mo performance ana e kwa akọbọ ball no. Honhom mo ball anka India for kapa ekwe nka da bia nko meje. O bia ni Ghana wa base ni India ni. Honhom mo ball. Say honhom ball anka edifu kuku dam ewa amanfo aman so a omu na Ghana asofo no obi a spiritual father or first spiritual father free baby anka sa manmufo no nka cap no da bia nkomu beche ba Ghana nko ade tournament ya ye nipa wa ho boabo na ye de kwa akobo no ade anyame be ya ne se e bia we player we ade be che kwa akobo ball anka obi pese oma wo yare na nyame abo ho ban no waji wa free yale edi mu na wanya ahoade akobo ball but enye nyame na ebe so na de abobo ball na ma onye sa nkwasi asem no eye wankasa wa ho boaboa wa ho siesie a waye ana ode kwa akobo but ahobambo na nyame akosa akotwere exams se sofo kobo mpaya ma empire no enye eye nkwasi asem enye hwe empire enye hwe ade empire be ya ne se e bia nka efiefo abaifo bi ebe sori atia ma bia ade ebeche ama akotwere exams kra na obe yare adadem untimi ensore bia on se be ya wo ya ona ebe ya wo ya uti be pai wo no no betuma bom paye asi ano kwan but says am so ye bom paye da kwatwere pass there forget it say wansua untwa. It's about time we tell you the truth. Say wansua empire no amount of prayer everybody wunsua ba be she utiri am atwere forget it. But Ghana there ye ko tournament na ye consult asofo mother for the culture will be now by oh if it's my score line tell me so my travel timeline my course a timeline my travel ahead of time my course a timeline my activity catalyst I can some ashase or can say be ko do quarter finals we play third and fourth.
We lose the friendlies but then when we enter the World Cup you see there's a different world altogether as the Lord leads. Right now the clarity of what I saw was the quarterfinals. We were fighting over third and fourth.
With this performance?
Yes.
Later, obey changes be next and come as a satisfaction dane okay the members say open sort of tell me so as of funny videos nyina be gu anim na hwe ni nyina san what ya say Bob akwa ye kwa akobo this all of videos be 50 ko wa ye videos more than 50 so funny nyina abo no answer na wa hwe from ashase saa be we obeka be wie ye nyame baako na no be more than 100 and sem baako pem nipa baako ama na guys is we can say oh work up in the who's Ghana ya call ya baako ya nima ya ko through finance.
The Black Stars of Ghana.
What Black Stars of Ghana?
Last year or last 2 years. The Lord made you to say they will qualify. And I've seen that they will go in the finals. Listen. The Black Stars will do extremely well
Black Stars no
at the finals.
our finals.
I saw it.
The
The Black Stars of Ghana
Black Stars of Ghana
will do extremely well at the finals.
our finals.
I didn't.
Emma finals crowd don't forget say na je nya butro finals say no oh there be enya finals na it could be quarter final, it could be semi final. Okay, and I say what as internal year train. But yeah, what train no run of 32 year free. In fact, run of 16 cry ntime year free mu na say dem commission esibu also. Emma proclaim testimony asasara ka say Ghana Blasters no young qualify. In fact, World Cup group stage cry young qualify. Etima yen high ho yen first ka bi ankohiem. But group stage you qualify every ho. Adum cheda be ka say you kwa kwaje cup number this year. As I kwaje 2020 as I kwaje 2030.
World Cup for best by year baby.
2030.
30.
Yes, sir.
2030. Monte.
Nebuatwe.
Ghana. Some makachira mosai.
Baby Kenya ke.
Akonyano.
Say.
Ghana na besi.
Yes.
Well, I say the BC Africa had no that semi-finals. Matesa one for kind of conversation. Morocco, Akobida, 2022. Morocco, echo semi-finals. What I say? Next, meaning say semi-finals. Africa country be Akobi Penyah. It's a finals. And a young Kobida. Anna said, "I can see a kwaje Ediaba. Okwa finals are own kwaje hemai. So all winning out the cup of ban or be the abefi. Does the cup of kwaje Ediaba? And was I mentioned 2030. Yes, I kwaje 2030 Ediabefi. Now, I'm conscious saying now, Ebiam, but okay. Na omo church members ebe ka kire wo say wo nyini hunhum wo na say hunhum adwuma no wo ntia se wo nyini me say na yetetena anka di for nke yakum nyina because nyame na Moses tire say so obi di mimi nyame di be hyankom na nkom na mamu a mamu nsuro yo trofo mamu nsuro no munsi na bonku no tetena anka masofo na mudi fe ne nkom nyina nkom agu chamo simu nsuo nyansa tetena masofo na mudi fe ne obi nyina nkom nyina ke yakukun obi nyina because ultimate can't me say that says the Lord as the Lord lives. This is what going to happen. Bible nisi nyame edi na chi no onim ochina onim de besi daache. Tie nyame no nim de besi daache. Ana nyame no nim say Ghana Blasters enkosi April mu no ye be fa coach foforo na aba nyame nim say there will be a changes. Ye be say coach nyame ya aware dada. Onim daache. Onim hawa bibia besiako na nyame no yi bibia kirewa ahyase na wototo pap woyi foforo atire na be ka ne badwam later na asa be ka foforo later na asa ka foforo omu wi a na omo de Ezekiel na Isaiah na ye example say nyame sma Ezekiel ko ka kire say later or sankwase ase munyai defense no sankwase defense out from da bia dem no munyai na Isaiah na Ezekiel emfa nkwase ase wi ho munyai sankwase ase no Isaiah bompai ma nyame hu ni mabo eho na enyo odi for the washer nku nyame no small odi won say ko na Isaiah matie ne mpaye but e won obewu ba be 15 years ana kan nfie hu eye once wan waka bie man ka ho but as of for the come say bebrebe different okay yes ko for videos na nya abotere hwe sankwase asa wa mun kan kire ye na sam no kamu come say na mab tetena ke kun wa mu nyina eno ana wan god see ya ene Ghana fo bia be crash e wo media na we ne nsema omo ka kire omo
then yetie na we hunu saa netie na afi wo ba be kirem nyame kiri kura ne se wodi fu ahye nkom awie na wo ba be kirem wo ba be kirem one thing is clear we your trofo wo predict ye wo de wadwene ene ebubu ade no se wo mpese nipa be sore wo so a make sure say one so wo be ye netene me hu edifo bebre na so mo be gira o mo ni so krakaka masa jai eye sa tetembre na mutumi hurahura nipa no se se nipa nsuro mu bio wo mu nsuro mu bio na Bible say wo hyankom yo hyankom a ambe mu no e ma ye nsuro no
Dabi hey abisu afo me chiacha mo so for na friend Mr. Carter or whatever thing that you call yourself me kwa minim di nko am dey fro jai jimi no hey then your face and last remember shem kwasi ankom bi ote ya edi ni ehwe mo na mo jimi wo Ghana ti Jesus Christ on bobo munyankopon no bobo ti Israel nyame no makwa kuburu Israel nyame kura wentimi amfa Israel ma World Cup Israel or more World Cup that Munya Jimmy na Mujimu of Fumu. And our radio stations no margin in Yana. I don't know man go for a chance movie no normal amount for you to be the agro. Who Mr. Catalyst, hey, Jai Flash, the Flash, no. Moses is in 10 neighbor, or Zabaka Korea Jimmy. I need Doctor Strange, Jai Shet, Nijay Jimmy, Yeah, my last warning. Yeah, was sorry. Bompire was sorry then. Member Sham Kwasi and Kumbi, yeah, we have to go back to the timeline and we have to. Hey, do you know timeline? Who name timeline? Kwasiatu, Oko had a flash now. Flash, a coach in the mammy woo. I will go save in the mammy. Who name no man's design? Not John Dego, or Bell War Bar, or Sasama no Obama, or flashpoint bar, changing a minute of flashpoint, and I say timeline. A bit me as a destiny baby, quasi ya uni mnyanza change yame. And yamunyame na mosumunu, uni mnyanza change yame yangaza. Men kwasi, men mejam kwasi angumi, ti o last one in any, me Jimmy beam. Ya ma o last, unim, now betina baby be Jimmy ya. Ya beba also, jai Jimmy no. Nyanko pombia me yi bibi anchero. Nyanko pombia me yi football bi anchero. Na akura we Jimmy kura no nyanko pombobo. I don't know where Jimmy za. Radio station, we are very careful. And more behind me, Jimmy Beam. Mama so for Nia Jimmy, your mama last warning. Say, Mr. Khaled, we have to go back to the timeline and change the time across Seattle. You know timeline. You could take the timeline or quasi champagne you cranky and you take 1 second of timeline at walk cranky and quasi Seattle.
Goddess, there be a mecase, a we are say away. Onipa bi a wo se osum Nyankopon no e wo se utimiti nyamenne nyamenne so sentu we yente it is one thing nyamenne na so nyamenne afre wo dia then you should know the difference between prediction and prophecy. That is one thing the upcoming pastors young boys no they always see politics day by day as prophecy. They always see football day by day as prophecy, boxing prophecy. No, it's not like that. Wrong. Because Onyankopon our born so any assassin. There are so many things that any part the area solid there. Obuonma awarenti na de bi ode odi sofu bi echi. Esanse sofu bi akoka se obi be sego wa odi pala kwasent we powerful. Do you know what is called powerful? I ask Rebecca say my best friend. Do you know what is called best friend?
Best friend.
Do you know what it takes to call one another best friend? Every best friend to get a best friend. So what do you mean by best friend? Every best friend to get best friend. So what do you mean by best friend? Do you understand powerful? Ghana for who the difference between gamble. I saw for baby a bet or more phone so. I saw for no more call a bet. Because go can almost say and then a boy omu emo munye bi edi twetwa bills ni ade ade and then a boy omu emo munye bi edi ye no ma solid dem so omu twetwa bet it na say na saying Ghana be bobo na young boys na omakọ Bible school na say so mutimi kinkan grammar akakraka no edi gu media no so no na ama fa adwen akomo so no na omo so nyaje nkofo do mochi omo ko twa bet goddess football to me edi football chi no you don't know many people use human sacrifice demon DBS and many people still use animal sacrifice do have DBS many to use the gods animal sacrifice many saints many spirits across the globe and they do World Cup. You know, they say World Cup. Local pastor in Ghana, who they will say, Obìnrin náà ṣiṣẹ́ ní World Cup. And also be bini for the film be kakane ya cover baton. O so for ho ben. Obi ti asori de wonye adwuma nye. Obi be so tu kwan ya bounce no. Obi won mo yare onya yare sa. What you can about now saying the whole West Nina is about the soccer, the Ghana World Cup, the World World Cup, and this and this and this and this. So Obi can so blast them all. So please, the word powerful, no, don't use the word powerful again.
Really?
Maybe to make us say powerful. Okay. Because every information and everything I'm doing counts on karma and angel of death and the gods of the land. They are powerful. Wow. No mortal is powerful. So don't sit where you are that you are powerful. I do go Jina Kwalibu Sisi say obi da dialysis so Jina ogo na go bon paye. And then Ghana software they use their head to give fake direction to people. Na need back way from see so for be asɛn ade free Ghana breme e de be ya ewo ye di no me bi afrafra wo ni mu a na ye de kala aka wo ne ho ne da bre se on fa nwusu sem no on fa nwale. Look at all this kind of things. Me nka say the oye no ye kom so a ye wo no abo wadwem to me be me so oni pe on na asase before me no be kasa no anameko medical coach wu to me kura edi wechi.
Okay.
To me kura no ne nam na wechi etra dia and they don't try the worst here. Me bo di enkasa because sacrifice me yegu so no timi nye bi. And the key for sacrifice who is adwene so. Oh, it got us aso for the there we are young boys from over. They don't know the difference between prediction and prophecy. I will not insult them. They are babies.
Me boy prophet Adum Chedua dio.
Adum Chedua. Oluma de so oka ba ko e fa ho no. Na ye ne de. Agona ye ne de. Eto Adum Chedua oluma me sirawo.
Good.
Sirawo. O 7 years na o share ye no. Endri ho no na de be siesi. Iti sound kwanga kra na yiwa no free sebi soka nim fa ho se onabo Kofi Adam eba ona ase a ebu na de ba ona ase oni jije na ba ye enso na mo ya gbo nutu kwa papa wo hu anka nche no enso be ka che later dia I don't know e silent here but em not say na meni wo mo so osofo uche ni Clement any so wa ne najagezi mo no mo yi ma no free soka nimu
wow
enke ba ne seneka o man ko bobo osofo yesi wo enwasena wonye bibia manase kwede opusa ne sem etu wonye bibi so amwase so ese Jacob no kro no wa Ghana blast awet ma bo musikem wa Ghana blast awet ma ya fast ama wo mo ade tie so mo se chenchen ese Ghana blaster na say the all kind enye wo I don't support men of Jesus in Ghana here the moment Ghana ekwakobobo no say good things let your wishes be clean and pure na enkoye adwuma because the universe are always listening to what we are saying, what we are doing, and they also act on it. And so, yet the universe bought a bushemidua, and my 10 years you have a bobiano, no more to just in Swato. Yet the universe bobidua, 10 years super tobiano, not a word as if you're just a yabo. All those things are there, you don't know, because Bible can't already, so you don't know anything about the world. Menya kama da Roma any angel of death any the gods of the land aka me wanna come ni mo susu wi asa be kama nesi amana yo man etitu fo sikafo ni monyamfo emu president across the group abe Fred wo sia abe boma baso e kama da Roma o tweda podi mu tintima gods of the land so ni sira ni bi e sa eneti e dia sofo no de me wo so mo ye babies kama so mo ye nkwala me bi omoni no mo the difference between prophecy and prediction what is going on across the global soccer no a prediction obi atimi che na adwen me si ase betimi ache na ma adwen ba me chema dwo mitrim me nya chema dwo se kim obi be kate wo aka say wan god ka say we be wini ba me chema dwo mitrim me chema dwo media no so abedi matem ye na na Ghana ye dia you do semi final you do your fuck cup no win koma ye na you lusu a win koma ye na eti ba kofo efa world cup we ejenu gwase a now ye kwe now ye kwe ube fa world cup ejenu gwase amema ba bia wudidi abo abema onipa bia ojiwudi a enka fa funfra na nka 5,000 or 10,000 there ni asene ama world cup we wuti no and offer funfra yes ya busy offer kwa ye free because yes you fake e bi na wonu asofa ba ola ya obanta ye wo ube kan se na ye yie ube kan se na ye yie na ko man ekobobo a ye ka se bi mususem egu o man so o man ko bobo a obi aka sirasem egu o man so nobody know what will happen in the soccer there. And all here.
We should say some for be almost no more say nyamina no.
David.
Because when you go to their camp, they don't say it's a prediction. I will make you.
The enemy say many people will come there see ya wo de no almost your mo de dabi yentra ho ema amafo fa se bi efuturo and na ye se bi pada.
Okay.
Obi onu no ko la pada fita ho a pada kokko beto kokko eje fita.
Okay.
Me ba beto kokko to fita.
Oh da bi meto fita.
It what you say. It we catch say your boys na mabanya me mu ni say. Monti ko susum sam. Na mo members na tete wono mo nya adwuma nye no. Mo nya bibi ma wo mo. Na omo endi adanse ye. Na mo nja World Cup na sem ka. Enye sa ene de me de free mu. Me ndi matem. Me nka hwe. Na ya me man kwa tete na 4 years bi saba. Na isa ko bo another World Cup bi. Na software na wo sem control din semfon. Sabe tenase. Sabe ka ensem aja to trading ponso a. Goddess, and this I mean Chima also for no.
Nice one.
Because the entire Mungunya Kupo ni Masi. Then Kolankitin Kitty so end the dinner meade at him. Sinagopono Bianca Saye. What I say is a goddess, you find few, you find chow.
What when you
now, you pay also can who say football. a prediction.
Okay.
Oh, your software predict for yourself. Don't come and predict and I may say, I go pon can chilo. No confirm him go say no how the emma. And they so way wa kasa and so yes sa otwado ehu. Otwado the video on the hono Medi kakada the video on the hono so otwado obonu to sunsun wi ase. E to timi nyi bibia ma ne nye yie. Da ko pena ba news e rainy. Ati ase. It's a video na da hono mo. E no da branch na ehu anka o. De na hu any CNN no working kind. That is all they know. And we have gullible Ghanaians who go to search people that they should pray for them and do this for them. It's not me expensive, no. Because ultimately so uncle Dana and Mama Nasa and Medane.
The only truth man can't remember. Na me yendi pa bonini. Munyi na mwejimi. Me pa chow ye niesi otumi temper with the time. Or no otumi sesa time. Anameboa. Men chimun kwachiri simple logic. Edienti so to me temper with time to miss a scores. Edienti na ye catalyst. One temper with a time. Na Ghana kwaje World Cup. Ah, ye Jimiana. When ya wunia no to be going into the future. Ekwaso sadie urade ahhehye. Urade se Ghana be lusu. Or no to me kwa temper with a time. It's a sad time. Edienti na once a sad time. Na Ghana ewini. Ah, ye Jimiana. Ah, o to me ko sunsumu wi asese sad time. Anyone who say Friday ebe. O maame ba bewu. O nko sunsumu wi ase nko sad time ne mfo wuo ni mu obi maame. Me see ye Jimi o. And the media houses a promotino. And I don't know come here, massam. Any televis. See, I know about Oko near Bissau question. Catchroom said that guy is a demon. I don't want to talk about him. Who name now the wasam befaha. Kubisa so from Penyah for
share say Ghana Blasters, yebe because some commission soprano. There's this gentleman what can it differently? Avrahama.
Okay. Well, Nana Romeo, present and say, Avraham bin Moshe, can it differently. Nature say, or two gunkrofo, Abjinimu say, Guy nation come correct, and a member Bessano 100010. Maybe I try Mrs. Sano. Maybe I try 100010. Maybe I Sano waha. And your score line, and as a son. But me can't send me. Me say boy we are a bad boy. 100010. Bacha ochire team me be wini. Ochire team me be lusu. Ochire sa Ghana na be she. Ana obi na be she. Thank you. Enti ono presenter no so much share adwuma. Aha. Enti o kama na kwaye say guy ne hyenkom na me masesa no. Afi hwe de obese bisa no.
Score lines now they two piano. 100010 no. Or say one to me and see one can say Ghana wini ana Ghana lusu. Eti you.
Enye no na me kan yi. One say na Romeo na be kan no kre. O say Avraham bin Moshe say 100010 no. One chile team a obewini. Be matches no sande o say we colonize England. Enti be colonize England and the 00 ne ya hwan. O say 100010 yate. And then we will colonize England. And the Bayer 4. And you colonize England. 00 no. And you whine and then the 00. And Sayako colonize England. Ghana colonize England. And I went Jimmy Kakra. Kalva Ukasia Friako. And your preparation at the Bobo and as a prophecy. And a Muni Munyansa. And Yako World Cup. And your preparation and I'm Bible. I say watch the video again. Man, I make video. No, say watch the video again. Yantia video, video.
You won't be. I'm telling you. Unless the 21 days is fulfilled, then what has to be done is done. I'm telling you now. If I go and sleep and 21 days pass and you don't hear of me and I don't say anything again about the World Cup, just conclude the number. Each match from now, 100010, we are back. in the World Cup. 3 matches we are done. Yeah, Subrimbo, the least, we were just there. We were number 3. Then we dropped last. Yeah, the last time until we came back home. Yes, and then we could even score 1 goal. Kudos company, Semenyo no goal, Party 0, Kamadin done. Eshawaku was sweating day and night, nothing. Everybody 0. Oh, I'm about to tell you, very, very simple. Play about 1 point from the right side.
I know you bet you pound and you bet your own go in ano. Ah? Now when you're money you to be temper with the time one. At the end of the one consume we are saying coaching time no not Ghana really. The American said nobody controls the future. It is your performance, your decision, your action that determines the future. Argentina bo mubwe eye players no mo e no mo san wo Messi into mewini bibini wajimi ana wajimi kakra na hwe nti bo Egypt igbo Egypt fo omunye Christopher Egypt fo omunye Christopher obi anhye nkom mebisa mo hwan ena ma Egypt e ko nanim no montro yes
beto akere wa adwen e de ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.